Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of part modeling using SolidWorks. Hope you're all doing good. In today's session we are gonna cover the part called rod. Okay, so we have two rods present in this assembly. So hope you all have watched my previous videos and tried creating the other parts which we have covered in our previous sessions. And we have only two more parts left in this assembly. So once we are done with all the parts, I'll be showing you how to create this assembly using these parts. So stay tuned, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. So let's get started. So open SolidWorks, go to File, click New, select Part, and then click OK. Now set the units in millimeters. Now I'm going to select top plane first. So select the plane and then click on Sketch. Alright. Now select circle. Let's make a circle. Alright, now using Smart Dimensions, give the dimension of the circle 20 mm. Alright. Now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss and extrude it to 45 mm. Okay. Now select this plane and then click on Normal to, and here we are gonna sketch again. So go to Sketch and then click on Sketch. Now we are gonna sketch a circle again. So simply click and drag, then select Smart Dimensions and give the dimension 8 mm. Okay, now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss and extrude it to 160 mm. Alright. Now again select this surface, make it normal, and then go to Sketch and click on Sketch. Now here we are gonna sketch a circle again. Now using Smart Dimension, give the dimension of the circle 12 mm. Alright, go to Features, click on Extruded Boss and extrude it to 2 mm. Alright. Okay. Now after doing this much, now we are going to select right plane. So click on right plane and click on Sketch. And here, let's start by creating a line. So click on line and let's create a line coincident to the surface. Alright. Now using 3-point arc, let's create an arc like this. Now using Smart Dimensions, let's give the distance of this arc from the line. Three mm. Alright. Now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss. Instead of sketch plane, instead of plane, select mid plane, and then here let's give it 5 mm. So you can see some portions of this are extruded outside. Don't worry, we are gonna cut it now. So for that, let's select this plane and make it normal. Alright, that looks pretty complicated, so let's select this plane and make it normal. Alright, now go to sketch and let's start by creating a circle, and let's create one more. Alright, now using smart dimensions, let's give the dia for the inner circle 12 mm and the outer one 16 mm. Now done. Okay, now go to features, click on cut extrude. I'm gonna select direction 2 also, and let's simply drag it. Alright, now click OK. See, it's done. Now we'll give some final touch. So for that, we'll fillet this edge. So for that, select the edge and then go to fillet. Give the radius for the fillet. I'm gonna give it 5 mm and then click OK. Alright, similarly I'm gonna give a fillet here also. So again I'm gonna select this edge, click on fillet, and let's give it 10 mm. And that's it. Our road is ready. Now just save the part. So hope this session was helpful to you. You can also create this part by using the revolve command. So do make it try and show some support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel, and let me know your suggestions in comment box. I've also mentioned the links of my FB and Instagram page down below in the description box, so you can follow me there also. So that's it. I'm Deepti Matthew. Thanks for watching.